Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by checking compatibility and gathering what you need. Plug the dongle into a free USB port. Once done, make sure the computer recognizes the device sound or LED. You may need to use an adapter if ports differ, USB A versus USB-C, because physical fit matters. If the OS prompts for permission, grant admin rights so drivers can install. Make sure to have your Wi-Fi name and password handy, since you will join the network as the next step. Once the dongle is connected, let the system try automatic drivers first. This is fastest and usually works. If automatic fails, download the official driver from the manufacturer and run the installer as administrator. This ensures correct permissions and avoids firmware mismatches. After installation, reboot if the installer asks, because services often need a restart to load. Then open network settings and enable the new adapter so you can scan for SSIDs and move on to authentication and connection. Now select your SSID and enter the password exactly. Once connected, choose WPA2 or WPA3 security when offered for better protection. After you join, verify the link by loading a web page or pinging 8 to confirm DNS and routing. This checks both reachability and latency. If pages fail to load, try one key troubleshooting tip. Switch USB ports and, if needed, disable the built-in Wi-Fi adapter to avoid conflicts. Reinstall drivers.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.